Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the engine oil in your Porsche Macan. First, gather your supplies. 7 quarts of new engine oil, a new oil filter, a drain plug washer, and the right tools. Safety is paramount, so ensure your Macan is on a level surface and securely supported. Always wear gloves and eye protection to protect yourself during this maintenance task. Proper preparation makes the entire process smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now let's drain the old engine oil. Place a suitable drain pan beneath the oil pan. Using the correct wrench, carefully remove the drain plug. Allow approximately 7 quarts of old, dirty oil to flow out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the drain plug and install a new sealing washer. This small step is crucial for preventing any leaks after refilling the engine. Next, we will replace the oil filter. Locate the oil filter housing, usually on top of the engine. Use a specialized wrench to unscrew and remove it. Take out the old filter element and discard it properly. Thoroughly clean the inside of the filter housing. Before installing the new filter, lubricate its new O-rings with a little fresh engine oil. This ensures a proper seal and makes future removal easier. Reinstall the housing securely. Finally, it's time to add the fresh engine oil. Carefully pour approximately 7 quarts of the recommended synthetic oil into the engine's oil fill port. Once filled, replace the cap. Start the engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil and build pressure. Turn off the engine and wait 5 minutes. Then, check the oil level using your Macan's electronic oil level gauge to ensure it is within the proper range.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.